Cuffs on me, man.
I didn't say I was going to put cuffs on you,
Well,
sir.
what are you doing, man?
I put it in the back of my car because you're impeding my investigation.
All I did was show you my knees.
Stop.
What the are you talking about?
Hey everyone, welcome back to U.S. Corrupt Cops, your go-to channel for exposing the truth behind law enforcement misconduct. Today, we're diving into a shocking incident from September 2022 at a senior living community in Temecula, California, where a deputy's actions toward a resident with recent knee surgeries sparked controversy, legal battles, and a hefty settlement. Trust me, you'll want to hear the details of this one. But before we jump into today's story, if you're enjoying this video, please drop a 1 in the comments, or if it's not your cup of tea, leave it 2. I'd be incredibly grateful if you'd take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments below before you go. Now, let's get into the story of the day.
On September 14, 2022, a deputy named Robert Glazer from the Riverside County Sheriff's Department responded to a call at the Madera Vista Senior Living Community in Temecula, California, concerning a disagreement involving a tenant's guest about whom residents had repeatedly expressed concerns. The encounter that ensued was recorded on Deputy Glazer's body camera.
Verbally abusive to these ladies.
I called her a couple names because I'm fed up with her harassing me every time I come inside.
Okay.
I'm here working for a man. I work for a man in here. He's my good friend.
Okay.
Personal assistant. Can I just set these things
Yeah,
down?
of course.
My bumper. This is my van.
No, I got you.
And so, officer,
Let's walk over here.
what's that?
Let's walk over here.
Sure.
So it's
That's
just easier that way.
Yeah, that's
People don't yell and
not a problem. Yeah, officer, this has been an ongoing saga since I came in, since I arrived here in July of 20.
Okay.
And so I was just about to get this thing out of here right now because I don't want to be towed away because I'm under terrible scrutiny for nothing. Okay, I'm telling you straight up. You want to know the truth? I'll never lie to an officer. I have done nothing to offend or violate the law in any way, shape, or form here except for using some profanity against that woman because she continues to call me,
The older one or the younger one?
The older one, Carrie.
Okay.
Yeah. And so she is a really nasty woman. I don't know why she continues to blindside me with her harassment and her incessant calling of you guys, unnecessarily, unneeded calls, because she doesn't like the fact that my client was dating a woman that she didn't like, and there was squabbling and fighting going on. Well, then finally, Lynn Marie Filippini, you probably know who she is.
No.
Okay, well, anyway, finally, I don't want to make you feel like you're trapped.
No, that's why I came this way. As long as I can see that way, I'm good.
So anyway, there was a lot of contention and everything. That woman that brought me over here, Lynn, had to leave and vacate the premises for good, and now there's she has a restraining order against her. She can't come back anymore, but there was a lot of contention built up between Lynn and this Carrie. And then Carrie started calling me Lynn's boyfriend, which is entirely untrue. I don't know why she continues to do that. She continues to gossip and call me names and call me dirty, nasty names. I forget what they were now. They were so awful. But I called her just now. I walk in the door and I hear her calling me a scumball as soon as I walk. So I walked up the stairs and I confronted her and said, "Don't you have anything better to do than to talk about my personal business in here?" And she snapped at me again. I go, "You're a fucking cunt." And then I called her a bitch. Later, after some more words were done, and then the after-schools lady just immediately calls the management team leader, Bianca Hernandez, very fine people. I have no squalms with her. She has to do her job. I understand that. But here's the thing. They allow a young man who's underage. They want me out here because I'm not of age. It's a 55 and over.
Do you live here?
Well, yes and no.
Okay.
Technically, I'm not on the lease, and I'm not a registered guest.
Okay.
But I'm an invited guest by a client. My client, he has me come over. He asked her, he said, can't I have a friend? And she said, yeah, you can have a friend here. And so I have been his friend, and I have been responsible, and I have been forthright, and I don't break the law, and I don't do anything nefarious or whatsoever. I have a close relationship with God. I love people and God. I'm a good guy. I'm not a criminal-minded guy. I'm not a dipshit criminal who doesn't care about anything else but himself. And then, I continue to be harassed by some of the people in here, telling me to, put on a shirt, and I don't need to put on a shirt. There's no laws in California telling me I have to keep a shirt on wherever I go, officer. And he's worried about me being seen by the children over here without a shirt on. This guy right here. Yeah.
All right, go over there. I'll
confronted me.
Stop.
Yeah.
Stop. Go over there. I'll deal with you in a minute. Hey. Hey.
Shut up.
Go over there or you're going to end up in the back of my car. You don't think I won't put you in my car?
I bet you not with these.
I will put you in the back of my car. Go over there. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. You're impeding my investigation, sir.
As Deputy Glazer converses with the suspect, a local resident named George Wailing, who recently underwent surgery on both knees and uses a cane for support, walks by. The suspect points out Wailing as one of the individuals who had allegedly been troubling him. Wailing responds to the suspect, prompting Deputy Glazer to direct him to leave the area. Wailing and the suspect exchange a few more words, but Wailing starts moving in the direction instructed by Deputy Glazer. Despite this, Deputy Glazer approaches Wailing, who continues to walk as ordered, and after a brief conversation, commands him to place his hands behind his back, asserting that Wailing is interfering with the investigation. According to Section 148A1 of the California Penal Code, willfully resisting, delaying, or obstructing a peace officer in their duties constitutes a misdemeanor. However, in the 2024 case, Williams v. County of Sacramento, the U.S. District Court for the Eastern District of California clarified that individuals may verbally challenge officers and briefly delay compliance with their commands under this statute. In the 1995 case, McKinney v. Nielsen, the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals, which has jurisdiction over California, determined that officers lacked sufficient grounds to arrest someone who did not immediately stop writing on a sidewalk with chalk, instead finishing the final phrase before halting. The court observed that McKinney's brief delay in setting down the chalk was considered obstruction by the officers. Generally, individuals must comply with police directives, but in this case, the officers overreacted to McKinney's short delay. Referencing this precedent, the Ninth Circuit in the 2016 case, Cialo v. City of San Diego, similarly concluded that although Wailing slightly delayed following Deputy Glazer's order and verbally questioned him, he was moving as instructed when Deputy Glazer approached and ordered him to place his hands behind his back. Since Wailing was in the process of complying, a court would likely determine that Deputy Glazer lacked legal grounds to initiate an arrest or detention.
Put your hands behind your back, or you're going to end up getting tased.
Yeah.
Put your hands behind your back.
For what?
Because I said so when you're impeding my investigation
How
now.
am I impeding your investigation, man?
Put your hands behind your back now.
What did I do?
Okay, you're going to get tased.
What?
Put your hands behind your back now.
For what?
Because I said so. You're impeding my investigation, sir.
Wow.
Put your hands behind your back now.
I can't even walk, man. What are you doing?
Sir? Sir, put your hands behind your back now.
What am I doing?
Put your hands behind your back or you're going to get tased.
Tased for what? I can't.
You're not listening to me.
Just put the cuffs on me, man.
I didn't say I was going to put cuffs on you, sir.
Well, what are you doing,
I
man?
put you in the back of my car because you're impeding my investigation.
All I did was show you my
Sir,
knees.
Stop.
What the are you talking about?
Stop. I have it all on videos.
Nah, I don't give a up, man. You gonna tackle me and
Sir, you fell to the
I
ground.
told you my knees are up. Lieutenant Smith, man.
Level 11, physical.
Yeah, okay.
Put your hands behind your back.
For what?
Because I said so.
Wow.
Put your hand, lay down on your stomach, put your hands behind your back. I already asked him to comply, he's not.
My knees are hurting, man. What did I do?
I have already explained it to you. You're impeding my investigation. Now you're going to end up in the back of my car and arrested.
When Wailing does not place his hands behind his back, Deputy Glazer repeatedly threatens to use a taser and eventually brings him to the ground. Wailing claims Deputy Glazer tackled him, while Deputy Glazer states Wailing fell. Given the probable unlawfulness of the arrest, any force used against Wailing was likely excessive. The Ninth Circuit, in the 2004 case Byer v. City of Lewiston, explained that false arrest and excessive force claims, though related, involve distinct inquiries. While both claims are judged by a Fourth Amendment reasonableness standard, proving a lack of probable cause for an arrest does not automatically prove excessive force and vice versa. To assess whether force was excessive, courts apply the 3 Graham factors from the 1989 Supreme Court case Graham v. Connor. Here, the government's interest in using force was minimal, since Wailing was being unlawfully arrested with no legal basis for seizure. Even if probable cause existed, Wailing was suspected of a nonviolent misdemeanor. There was no evidence Wailing posed a threat to Deputy Glazer or others, as he was walking away as instructed, unarmed and not attacking anyone. Although Wailing showed some passive resistance to placing his hands behind his back, this was likely due in part to needing his cane to stand comfortably after recent knee surgeries. A court would likely find Deputy Glazer's use of a takedown and taser threats unreasonably excessive compared to the government's interest in arresting Wailing, thus violating the Fourth Amendment.
I can't get up.
We'll help you up. Go over there.
You have to let him up because he's not going to be able to get up.
I'll wait till my partner gets here.
What?
Waiting for my partner to get here.
I can't believe this.
I asked him to go away.
I understand.
What did I do?
Stop talking.
I can talk if I want. I'm older than you.
I don't care. Stop. Get.
What you doing, man?
Stop.
What are you doing?
Stay on it. Stay here.
I can't walk.
Stop
what are you
trying to pull
doing?
away from me, man.
I'm not. How the can I pull away? Why you think I laid down, man? The is your problem?
Stop. Resisting, man.
Okay.
Are you serious that you're going through this?
Okay.
They understand. Oh, you gotta get it.
You got a purse member? You gonna get it. Oh, you gonna get it. Your walkie-talkie's right
I don't
there.
care.
Your thing.
Stop.
Look at. No, get that camera and show what he's doing.
Wait, I don't
I haven't done but walk right here
Sir,
where
you're
I
not
live, and you come do this to me?
Sir,
I'm a resident.
I don't care.
I've been living in Temecula
I
for
don't
12
care.
years.
I don't care. You're not listening to the orders.
Man, you're stupid. You're stupid.
Stop pulling your arm away from
But
me.
you got to let him up because
I will once my partner gets here. He keeps pulling away from me.
How can I pull away from you, you dumb mother? How can I pull away from you? Oh, wait. You just...
Stop.
This is ridiculous.
just stop.
Wait till the watch commander.
That's fine. It's all on video, sir.
He didn't
sure?
come at you.
I didn't have to come at me. He refused to follow lawful order.
And you just came
And you just came and attacked me.
Okay, we have different.
As we're walking,
Okay.
so by. As we're walking by, I don't
Okay.
understand that.
I asked him to walk away.
I've never seen such
I can't even walk. What are you talking about? That's how dumb you gonna look.
And
Stupid.
the reason that he's resisting is because he can't look down like that.
Well, as for my safety, he's gonna have to.
He didn't even come
Wow. I got tackled in my place for my safety.
How is it for your safety? And
Because he keeps pulling his hands away from me, ma'am. I don't know him.
That's because you came up.
You came and attacked me. What are you talking about? The seniors over there saw
Stop moving around.
it. You're stupid, man.
You can't
You're gonna be in
down
trouble.
like that. You're
Your ass is gonna be in trouble.
Okay, great, sir.
Okay.
and you calling all this back.
You're stupid. This is how stupid this is. You're stupid.
Right.
And bring the watch commander, the captain or whoever. I got 2 knee replacements and he
Relax,
tackled
relax.
me.
Relax.
Relax.
This motherfucker tackled me, man.
This is what I'm talking about.
You
let
know
him-
me.
I know you. Let him put handcuffs on you. We'll figure this thing out. okay?
Wow, no, that man.
Let him,
I told this I had knee
I know.
replacement and
I
he
know.
gonna tackle me.
Okay, we'll figure this out. Hold on. We'll figure this out.
Stop pulling away. That's the whole reason you're like this,
hey,
man.
Man, I ain't.
Hey, you know me, man.
I know it. Look,
Hey,
and this did this.
Let him put these on. We'll figure this thing out, okay?
It's a
I know. Let's get this thing figured out, okay?
got 2 knee replaced and he gonna tackle me.
Go to your side.
Good, nice.
Yeah, I know.
Man, you know that hurt. Can you get my phone?
Absolutely. Actually, I don't see your phone.
My phone's in the bushes or somewhere with the cane.
I got your cane.
I can't walk, man.
Okay, we'll figure that out. We'll get it.
Give me your hand.
Yeah.
Hey, let's get you in the car.
Can you turn? Look, man, this put these things on this right here. Look how tight these are.
Hold on. Let me adjust that to you.
What's your cell phone look like?
It's black. It's right back there. The mother tackled me up in there.
I'm gonna get it for you.
God. Wow.
Is there anything else?
Wow.
Just the cell phone?
Oh, wow. Wow.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
I'm trying to find his cell phone. I can't find it. Did it?
I have no idea.
You have no idea. You just had him down at all? You just have it on him?
I have no idea. I didn't get that far. I want him to walk away. He refused to keep going. He kept tripping back.
When explaining the incident to another officer, Deputy Glazer claims he arrested Wailing for refusing to leave the area. However, body camera footage shows Wailing was walking in the directed direction when Deputy Glazer approached. Wailing briefly turned to respond to Deputy Glazer, who was addressing him, then turned to continue walking away when Deputy Glazer grabbed him and ordered him to place his hands behind his back.
Without a shirt on. This guy right here. This guy right here. Yeah.
All right, go over there. I'll talk.
Confronted me.
Stop.
Yeah.
Stop. Go over there. I'll deal with you in a minute. Hey.
I do.
Hey.
Shut up.
Go over there or you're going to end up in the back of my car.
I ain't getting shit.
You don't think I won't put you in my car?
I bet you won't. I bet you not with these.
I will put you in the back of my car.
bet you
Go over
won't.
there. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. You're impeding my investigation, sir.
Craig.
Put your hands behind your back.
As previously discussed, the actual events likely did not provide Deputy Glazer with probable cause to arrest Wailing, though the version he shared with colleagues might suggest otherwise. According to Policy 300 of the Riverside County Sheriff's Department Standards Manual, officers may only use objectively reasonable force to effect an arrest, prevent escape, or overcome resistance. This aligns with Section 835A of the California Penal Code, which permits officers with reasonable cause to believe someone committed an offense to use objectively reasonable force to arrest, prevent escape, or overcome resistance. However, this law requires reasonable cause for an offense, which Deputy Glazer likely lacked. The department policy further states deputies must use force proportionate to the facts and circumstances known or perceived at the time to achieve a legitimate law enforcement purpose. Reasonableness is judged from the perspective of a reasonable deputy at the scene. Deputies may only use force they reasonably believe matches the severity of the suspected offense or perceived resistance. The policy also lists factors for determining reasonable force, including the age, size, strength, skill level, and injuries of the officer and subject, the potential for injury to officers, suspects, or others, the individual's ability to comply, the immediacy and severity of the threat, the seriousness of the offense, the need for immediate control, the individual's conduct, available alternative options, their effectiveness, whether the person is resisting, evading arrest, or attacking, and the risks of escape. Deputy Glazer should have considered Wailing's age, knee condition, limited ability to comply due to his cane, low threat level, lack of violent behavior, and other feasible options before using taser threats and a takedown.
Gary, go inside. You're making the matters much worse, ma'am.
Are you okay?
I'm good. I appreciate it.
Okay. You're right. You can show my partner all your information.
Yeah, not a problem. I'm sorry he gave you a problem, man.
It's okay, man.
Wow, that sucks.
You could hear them? I'll be right back.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know this guy?
I just from talked to him 100
Okay.
times.
All right, I'll be right back.
Yes, sir.
Is in here somewhere?
I'm gonna
Or
call
she
it.
has it?
Yeah. Ma'am? Ma'am?
I've got it down there.
Thank you.
I did not.
Do you have your phone? Can you call it?
I do not.
So we see your
I didn't bring my phone in here.
Okay.
I don't think he had a phone with him. Because we scuffled right here.
I don't know, I feel like I'm, like a Where's Waldo trying to, and it's
Yeah. Okay, hey, Ryan, come over here.
Okay.
You're just making matters worse.
Would you like some cold water?
Yeah, no, can I talk to you over here, please? Who's the other gentleman that was walking?
He lives in the corner, he walks his dog with his wife every day. I don't know when he starts
didn't-
flapping his mouth.
Yep.
Because he does it with the kids
Yep.
too, but he does have two bad knees. That is where
Oh,
that
well.
came in. I know, I hear you.
So-
I'm on your side now.
Okay.
After the arrest, Wailing was taken to a detention center in Murrieta, California, and held for 11 and a half hours before release. Prosecutors found him in a wheelchair and chose not to file charges. The Riverside County Sheriff's Department reported Deputy Glazer was terminated after an internal investigation confirmed multiple misconduct allegations, including unnecessary force against Wailing. On September 6, 2023, Wailing filed a federal civil rights lawsuit alleging constitutional and California state law violations. On March 6, 2025, the case was dismissed after Riverside County agreed to pay Wailing a $498,000 settlement.
Thank you so much for sticking with us until the very end. You're one of the few who made it all the way through. If you found this video eye-opening or meaningful, I'd love it if you could hit that like button. And if you're feeling extra generous, share it with your friends. I'm really curious to hear your thoughts on today's case, so please drop them in the comments below. Until tomorrow, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.